Ako yung isa mong fan. Ito, yan yung isa mong fan.
Nasa studio si Shuvi. Ito na yung pagkakataon ko magpa-picture.
Thank you because you've inspired a lot of people. Ako, hindi ako usually nagfo-fangirling ng ganito, pero when I saw you and I knew about your story, talagang sabi ko, sana manalo tong batang to. Kasi kapag nanalo siya, alam ko panalo rin yung pamilya niya. At panalo rin yung marami pang ibang batang babae na nai-insecure kasi akala nila hindi sila maganda, pero talaga maganda sila. Kaya thank you. Thank you for inspiring all of us and for being you. Mahal ka namin kasi totoo ka at sana hindi ka magbago.